What's going on YouTube? You're watching Fixed by Shaq, and in today's quick video I'm going to show you how to open up your camera here on your MacBook device. Essentially, opening up your camera will allow you to check if you are in a good scenario with good lighting before hopping into a Google Meet or a Zoom call or a meeting related to your office on a different platform. I'm going to quickly show you how to do it in this video. But if you find my content useful, consider subscribing and like the video. It really helps me out. So pretty much in here, we need to open up Launchpad and then slide left or go to the very first page. You want to hop into other here, which is this section where you do have QuickTime Player, image capture, and other apps as well. You want to search for Photo Booth in here. Now I'm unable to find it in here. If it's not in here, it probably left and it's here on the main screen. There we go. Photo Booth is right here. Tap once on Photo Booth and your face will be visible in here. Do not forget to consider subscribing. Now in here you want to check how you look like, whether the lighting is good or not. So you want to position everything well, so whenever you connect to the Zoom meeting you are actually in good look and good shape. Now this is it, guys. This is how easy you can open up and test your camera. Now if you wish to take things to the next level, if you want to double check a few settings, you can tap at the top left corner at the Apple logo, tap on System Settings, and then in here you can manage your camera. For example, let me quickly tap here at the top in the search bar. Let me search for camera, and then I do have in here accessibility, camera options, and stuff like that. For example, if I tap here on privacy and security, where we do have allow applications to access the camera, let me tap in here. We do have a set or number of apps which are allowed to use the app. You may be trying, for example, to join a conference call, but you're not able. That's probably because the app you're trying to use to access your camera is deactivated. So all you need to do is simply toggle it on in here in order to allow access, because this may be one of the problems you might be facing in case you're trying to hop into a meeting and you're unable to do so. This is how you can actually check your camera and ensure that all settings are turned on well and in good manner. Thank you so much for making it till the end of the video, and if you find my content useful, consider subscribing, like the video, and let me know down in the comment section if you do have any questions or doubts so we can discuss further. I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day.